And these are my new Raptor 60 woodies. I really bought them because they cost me $1.50. But they look a pretty good quality. And I wasn't sure they were, one way you know woodies because they got the black plastic right there, big one. And then if you look, right there on the edge, you can see the wood. You can see the wood if you could. But they're not for 3D. They probably suit good for what I want to do on circuits and figure eights. Maybe a flip and invert. Then I have to find out what RPM speed is safe for these as well. But thanks for watching, fellas.